Hey, what's up, guys? My name might be Alert Man, but I'm not too sure about the final name for the channel yet. But we are here to review the AlertWorks EAR-10. Everybody, EAR stands for Emergency Alert Radio. This is what it looks like. It's a large radio. It's a very large radio. I mean, yeah, it's pretty large. So what are we going to do? I already unboxed it. So I guess we'll go ahead straight into the review portion of this video. We will plug it in, let's go ahead and put it in over here. And we don't need to put batteries in this thing yet. I need to put batteries in all my radios. That's okay. First of all, let's plug this in and there you go. This is welcome. Set this up on the bedroom so we can see what we are looking at. So yeah, this is what we're looking at right here. So I guess we'll go to the menu, set everything up. Oh, that's pretty loud. Time. Alright. We don't need to set the time yet because I might be moving it around. So. Alert off. Wow. Yeah. Add alerts. We don't need to do that. The alarm we don't need. Channel. Turn that off for now. We don't need to. Same set. I don't think we need to take care of that right now. Channels. 2. That's our current channel. So same. We need to do that. Alert type. That's voice. That's good. Alert test. This is gonna be a little loud, so I'm gonna skip on that part. Light. And I believe that's pretty much it for the AlertWorks. I'm not gonna be saying the time or anything on there, just because it's just a simple weather radio right here. But yeah, it's something interesting about this radio, which also comes with the 12521 from Radio Shack. This thing goes off after the first SAME header. SAME standing for Specific Area Messaging Coding. So yeah, this is a pretty good radio. Let's turn it on for now. Well, I didn't expect that awesome of a radio. That's all the reception I might get. At least it's going to recognize weather alerts or something. But yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and do the weather test. I'm going to have to put on noise blocking headphones because it's obviously going to be a bit loud. So, the best noise blocking headphones I got was my Beats. So, let's go ahead. Turn on the weather radio. I'll go in the menu. Time. Oops. No. Alert off. Add alerts. Alarm channel. Same set. Alert type. Well, I had no idea how to snooze the alarm back there, but I bet it was pretty loud. But that's what the alarm sounded like. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the review of the AlertWorks weather radio.